My last video I show you how to install WordPress in your website, and now today I'll show you how to install theme in your WordPress. So first you have to come appearance, then theme, then uh, you can see I'm doing it from the add new theme from here. Then a lot of theme will come. Just Astra is most popular. Just click install, then you will show a active button here, right? This one. Then click the active, then it will show activate. Then your theme will install. Then after then you have to just click the theme and you can show the demo. Just when you see the import demo, click here. You can see that nothing is showing here because it's pro. Then I will click import demo here. Okay, then continue to import. Okay, then it will take few time and I'll show my website right now here. See, nothing is showing here after importing this. Wait, it will take some time, maybe take 3 or 10 minutes. And friend, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask. I'll reply. And also please follow my Facebook page, also TikTok. And it will take some time, and WordPress theme will install successfully. See, the input are complete successfully. Then I'll click visit site. Okay, from here. So this is my new site. I hope you understand. And if you have any question, please feel free to comment. I will reply. Thank you. Have a good day.